So students, today's topic of discussion is mutual induction of two long solenoid. Actually in previous lecture we have already discussed about mutual induction, and here we are discussing about mutual induction of two long solenoid. We have two long solenoid. Suppose we have a long solenoid of length L in which current I1 is flowing. So I1 current in first solenoid, that is S1. Now we are considering this is our second solenoid in which current I2 is flowing. In first solenoid current I1 is flowing, in second solenoid current I2 is flowing. So this is current in second solenoid S2. Now L is length of solenoid. जो solenoids हैं उनकी लेंथ कितनी है L. Now N1, this is also very important. N1, number of turns in S1, means in this solenoid the total number of turns are N1 and N2 number of turns in S2, that is in this is N2. So these are the consideration. This is our diagram, this is consideration. Now since current I1 is flowing through S1, means solenoid 1 में करंट कितना फ्लो कर रहा है I1. So जब करंट फ्लो करता है, we know this fact that when current flows through a solenoid, what happened? A magnetic field is produced. So a magnetic field is produced due to I1. So magnetic field due to I1 क्या होगा? This is V1 equal to mu naught N1 I1. We have discussed this topic in previous videos in solenoid. So we know this formula mu naught N1 I1. अब ये मैग्नेटिक फील्ड जो प्रोड्यूस हुआ, एंड ड्यू टू दिस मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइंस आर प्रोड्यूस, मैग्नेटिक फ्लक्स आर प्रोड्यूस. सो दिस मैग्नेटिक फ्लक्स इज लिंक्ड विद सेकंड कॉइल. दिस मैग्नेटिक फ्लक्स इज लिंक्ड विद सेकंड कॉइल. सो इफ A is the area of that coil, then what happened? Flux linked with S2, phi equal to B1 into A. This is the flux linked with S2. अब ये एक लूप से अटैच्ड है. If there are N2 turns, if there are N2 turns, then what happened? Total flux will be phi equal to B1A into N2. Now we can put the value of V1 here. So phi equal to V1 is mu naught N1 I1 A N2. This is what? This is total flux with second solenoid due to first. Now we know M equal to mutual induction. From the formula of mutual induction from previous lecture, we know this fact that phi upon M equal to phi upon here I1. Phi upon I1. So when we put all these value, mu naught N1 N2 A I1 upon I1, so it will be cancel out and we get mu naught N1 N2 into A. This is our result from first solenoid. Now we are considering against opposite. So now we are considering that current I2 is flowing in second solenoid. So again there will be magnetic field of second solenoid also. So what will be the magnetic field? Magnetic field due to I2, this will be V2 equal to mu naught N2 I2. Here we are considering N1 I1, here we are considering N2 I2. So flux linked with S1, flux linked with S1 equal to phi equal to B2 into A, that is mu naught N2 I2 into A. Now again, here we are considering N2 turns, here we are considering N1 turns. So if there are N1 turns, then total flux phi will be B2A into N1. So B2 what? Mu naught N2 I2 A N1. This is what? This is flux linked with first coil due to I2. Now M equal to mutual induction phi upon, here we are considering I2. So when we put this thing, this is mu naught N1 N2 I2 A upon I2. So it will be cancel out and we get mu naught N1 N2 into A. So these two results are same, mutual. Why these are same? Because this is mutual. जितना इंडक्शन पहली कॉइल दूसरे पर प्रोड्यूस करेगी उतना ही सेम इंडक्शन दूसरी कॉइल पहले पर प्रोड्यूस करेगी. दिस इज व्हाट? दिस इज म्यूचुअल इंडक्शन ऑफ टू लॉन्ग सोलेनॉइड और दोनों का कैसा आएगा? इक्वल होगा, बराबर.